What's going on, my peoples? What's going on, my peoples? Welcome back. You already know what time it is, man. So, getting ready to head out, man, for a nice little ride to Madison. Today is J Malcolm's annual birthday cookout, and so we're gonna go out there and go show him some love. You did. So, got the whip nice and cleaned up. Finna go up the street, meet my homeboy King. That's the homeboy that got the LS Monte Carlo with the 24-inch Ruchis on it. So we're gonna go out there and go meet him, and then gonna head out, man. We're gonna go and get this ride time in Betty White today. You already know, you know. So with that, man, we're gonna go and get the crack in. I'm a little bit low-key tired, if you can't tell, but we're gonna get active, you did. So before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops you did. So let's get moving. What's that? I know, not yet. What's happening? Getting the kids buckled in? That boy, them days look good. Hey, man. We put these things on the road. These true family, these family cars.
What's
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's in the back.
That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Family whips. We can still do it. Oh, look at that. Oh, say we outside. We outside.
You're outside. Go,
You riding with daddy?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
But that thing too clean. And he got them air horns on it.
I done missed the Meach Hood part, didn't I? I done missed the Meach Hood part yet?
Yeah, he ain't popped that one.
I tell everybody, hey, I might pop it. I might pop it. Don't take no picture though.
Yeah.
if they ain't come, they ain't gonna see it.
Yeah.
If they ain't come, they ain't gonna see it. That's the 177. That's a 140 for the small. When my shit got knocked off, my shit got knocked off like 2013, 14. So it was a little harder to find me. I had to go out down to Florida to get my front. I took it off, it was candy blue. Yeah. It had that little fade on about the whole front and the hood. The only thing I didn't buy was the header burner because I had caught with my partner had. Put that bit back together in the garage. And I almost painted my color. Love on my shoulder, I got my heart it grown colder.
Doing good. I'm on the board. That's why I kept telling Cam, like, I think